Dear students, now let me solve this problem. We are given that find the value of theta for which f will be least such that the block is just about to slip. Okay, here the given force F is at an angle theta with the horizontal and the block of mass m. We have to find out the minimum force F such that the block will be just about to slip. Okay, so you can say the block is at the limiting condition, or the frictional force acting on the block is the frictional force, the limiting frictional force. Okay, so let me draw the free body diagram first. FBD of M. Solution. So FBD of M. Okay, the forces acting, if we resolve this F into two components, along this direction it will be F cos theta, and along this direction F sin theta, or mg according to downwards and normal direction upward. Okay, and the frictional force will be acting in the left direction. Okay, so if we make the free body diagram of M, then in this direction only mg force is acting. Along upward direction two forces are acting. One is F sin theta and there is N, and along horizontal F sin theta, and opposite to is FL. Okay, so we have one relation, that is FL is equal to mu N, or you can say mu S into N. Let me write mu S as a mu only. Okay, mu into N, equation 1, and the two equation at equilibrium condition. One is FL is equal to F sin theta, sorry, this will be F cos theta. Okay, F cos theta, so FL will be F cos theta, equation 2, and another equation is F sin theta plus N is equal to mg. So we can write N as mg minus F sin theta. Okay, equation 3. Now let me substitute this N in this equation 1, the value FL from equation 2 and the N from equation 3. Let me substitute these two value in equation 1. Okay, so FL from equation 1 you can write it as FL as F cos theta and is equal to mu into N as mg minus F sin theta. So mu mg minus mu F sin theta. So now if we take common F, then F into cos theta plus mu sin theta is equal to mu mg. So what will be F? Let me rub this portion. Okay, so F will be basically mu mg divided by cos theta plus mu sin theta. Now how can I find the minimum value of F? Okay, so here we can use two process. One, you can use the calculus method, and another you can use the trigonometric formula. Okay, so let me solve this problem in two ways. Okay, so let me first do it by using trigonometric formula, which is more conventional. If we take mu as, okay, mu as tan lambda, you know here actually the angle of friction lambda is given, so I can use the relation between mu and angle of friction, that is nothing but mu is equal to tan lambda. So you can substitute value mu equal to tan lambda over here. Okay, and this condition is satisfied at a limiting condition, limiting frictional force, so you can use this easily. So it will be, you can say it tan lambda into mg divided by cos theta plus tan lambda into sin theta. Tan lambda into sin theta. Now tan lambda can be written as sin lambda by cos lambda. Sin lambda by cos lambda. So it will be sin lambda by cos lambda into mg, okay, divided by cos theta plus sin lambda by cos lambda into sin theta. Okay, now if we simplify this result, this cos lambda will cancel out. So it will be mg sin alpha sin lambda divided by cos theta cos lambda plus sin theta sin lambda plus sin theta sin lambda. So it will be just mg sin lambda divided by, this is cos a cos b plus sin a sin b, that means cos of a plus a minus b. So this will be cos of theta minus lambda. So this is the force. Now when this force will be minimum, can you tell me when this force will be minimum? The force will be minimum when this cos of theta minus lambda is maximum, because here lambda is constant, only theta is variable. So if this denominator is maximum, then this expression f will be minimum. So the maximum value of cos theta, you know, cos theta minus lambda, the maximum value of cos theta minus lambda is 1. So theta minus lambda is equal to 0. So you can say theta is equal to lambda. So our question was, for what value of theta the force will be minimum? So the force will be minimum when this theta will be equal to lambda, that is the inclination angle. So the force acting at an angle theta, when this theta will be equal to the angle of friction, in that situation the minimum force required to just slip the object throughout the floor is minimum, is mg sin lambda by cos of theta minus lambda, but cos of theta minus lambda is 1 in that condition. So in that condition f minimum will be what? A minimum will be just mg sin lambda, because cos of theta minus lambda is maximum and the maximum value was 1. So the condition is theta is equal to lambda for f to be minimum, and the minimum value of f is nothing but mg sin lambda. Okay, so this is one way of doing this problem. But if we want to use the calculus method instead of this trigonometric trick, we can also solve the problem. As we know from the concept of maximum and minimum, that for any function will be maximum or minimum if the first derivative of the function is 0. So here what will be the first derivative? The first derivative will be with respect to theta, because theta is the variable. So you can easily solve this problem, that here this f is equal to mu mg divided by cos theta plus mu sin theta, but mu mg is constant. So the only variable term is this cos theta plus mu sin theta. Okay, so if this term is maximum, then f will be minimum, and when this term will be maximum, when d theta of this term will be 0. This is the calculus method. So if we make derivative 1 times with respect to theta for this expression and make it equal to 0, then the value of theta, then the value of theta gives you the maximum condition, that when theta will be, when this expression will be maximum, when this expression will be maximum, for which value of theta this expression will be maximum, it can be, it will, this expression will give the result. This is d theta of cos theta plus mu sin theta equal to 0 will tell you for what value of theta this cos theta plus mu sin theta is maximum, and for that value of theta, as cos theta plus mu sin theta is maximum, so f will be minimum. So what will be the derivative of this cos theta plus mu sin theta? We know the derivative of cos theta is minus sin theta.